You're eating the right fruits at the wrong hour, and it's costing you your memory. Here's the fix. You've been eating fruit your whole life, thinking you're doing something right. And you are, mostly. But here's the plot twist that nobody warned you about. For seniors over 60, eating certain fruits at the wrong time of day can actually slash your brain's natural repair benefits by up to 40%. That's not a typo. 40%. Dr. Jason Fung, one of the world's leading experts on metabolic health and fasting, has been practically shouting this from rooftops. And today, we're finally listening. Let's talk about the 3 fruits that are silently sabotaging your senior brain when eaten at the wrong time. Fruit number 1, bananas. Bananas are loaded with natural sugars and a surprising amount of dopamine precursors. Sounds great, right? The problem is eating a banana first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. When you do this, your aging metabolism, which is already slower than it was at 35, gets flooded with a quick sugar spike followed by a crash. This crash triggers cortisol, and elevated cortisol in seniors actively interferes with the brain's glymphatic system, the overnight cleanup crew that washes out toxic proteins linked to cognitive decline. Eat your banana with a protein-containing meal, ideally around midday, not sunrise, not as a healthy midnight snack, midday. Fruit number 2, grapes. Grapes are basically nature's candy, and that's not always a compliment. The resveratrol in grapes is genuinely neuroprotective. But here's the cruel irony. When seniors eat grapes in the evening, the fructose load hits a liver that's already slowing its nightly detox process. The liver can't efficiently process that fructose and support brain repair simultaneously. You're essentially making your body choose between 2 jobs. According to Dr. Fung's metabolic timing framework, fruit consumption after 6 p.m. competes directly with autophagy, the cellular self-cleaning process that peaks during evening and nighttime hours in older adults. Grapes at 4 p.m., wonderful. Grapes at 9 p.m. while watching your shows, you're robbing your own brain bank. Fruit number 3, oranges. Here's the one that's going to hurt a little. Your beloved morning orange juice ritual. The vitamin C in oranges is brilliant for immune function and collagen synthesis. But the acidic sugar hit in the morning, especially for seniors who may already be dealing with blood sugar sensitivity, can spike insulin sharply and then crash it, leaving the brain in a fog for hours. Worse, this morning insulin roller coaster directly blunts the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, that your hippocampus desperately needs to form new memories and connections. Dr. Fung recommends shifting oranges or citrus to late morning, ideally 90 minutes after waking and after some light movement. Game changer. So what should you actually do? Timing is everything. Eat fruit with meals or after light physical activity. Avoid fruit on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Avoid fruit after 7 p.m. And support your brain's overnight repair cycle by giving it the right cellular environment to thrive. Now, and this is where things get practical, one of the most powerful ways seniors can support that glymphatic cleanup process Dr. Fung talks about is with magnesium glycinate. This is the form of magnesium that actually crosses the blood-brain barrier, promotes deeper sleep stages, and directly supports the nighttime brain detox that fruit timing was disrupting in the first place. Think of it this way. You spent years accidentally throwing a wrench in your brain's night shift. Magnesium glycinate is basically the apology letter and the repair crew. We've linked a highly rated, third-party tested magnesium glycinate supplement on Amazon in the description below. It's specifically popular among people over 55 for sleep quality and cognitive support. It won't fix a 9 p.m. grape habit overnight, but combined with better fruit timing, you're stacking the deck in your brain's favor. Your brain built a whole life. The least you can do is stop eating bananas at sunrise and let it repair in peace. Share this with someone who still thinks fruit is always healthy. Always, at any hour. They need to know. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.